You doing video?
Yeah.
All right, well, I'll let you do that.
Yeah, the first time is always it's going to be the most difficult, that's for sure. That's good position.
Probably might be. You probably need to be a little further this way because of the door. You're going to have to go that way.
Hey, Mike. This might be an area that I might want you to
Really
take away.
Plenty of room. Oh, yeah, head's perfect.
But-
You're in.
See, it's got the seats right there.
It's far over to the right, yeah, to the back side, so we can go and shoot this transfer seat back too. Okay.
You should have taken out
The mats.
the floor mats.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay.
You're kind of getting caught on the floor mats is what your problem is.
Is that
about it? Yeah, we don't want to go all the way there. So I'm going to come back just a little bit.
Yeah.
So is that going to be an easy transfer for you? Yeah. Okay, now this one is a four-way. It's got back and forth. It's got the swivel, but no up and down.
It's not going down.
Nope.
You still video?
Yeah.
And the reason they don't do the up and down is you're going to go lose about 1.5 inches. If they put that up and down feature, you go lose about 1.5 inches.
So cool.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
But I'll tell you what, if it becomes an issue, and I was going to say we maybe need to go ahead and
Does it have to up
look
and down?
Oh yes, it does. Yeah. In fact, right now I'm probably down. You probably got me about 3 inches now. And then of course you can always fine tune it too, even back or
How big I can...
What's up, Andy?
Oh, sorry, I'm gonna get him transferring. Jimmy, move.
Oh, you're fine. You almost need to turn your wheelchair now, Nate, don't you?
Yeah.
that's one of the questions, whether we need a power parking brake or I'll ask the driver. Okay. I think probably, I would bet probably the 11-inch parking brake extension would do the trick.
Tight feet. Oh, it's not too bad.
You might want to do the swivel.
Yeah, that's what I'm working on.
I sent you pictures of Larry's truck, remember? That didn't look quite right, did it? I mean,
Nope.
this one
I
looks
did.
nice. This is going to be the most difficult time you'll ever have right now. The first time trying to figure out the system. Because there's really not a whole bunch of room in these truck applications. How does your driver or driving instructing go? Is it pretty
Pretty easy.
pretty easy? There you go.
The way to
And you've
shift
even
the,
got, you've even got, yep, I was gonna say, if we wanted to go ahead and get this up out of the way, we can do that. And we can even go back a little bit further here if we wanted to with the OEM seat.
oh yeah, awesome. Gotta figure out which is which.
Yeah. You'll learn it really
Yeah, I
fast.
know, you'll be doing it in your sleep.
Good job, dude.